Hello, it's Susan. Today I'll be doing a bloom, and I laid my paint down already. I'm going over a canvas, a previously painted canvas, and I'm using PPG Kitchen and Bath Satin white paint for my pillow. Did I say I'm doing a bloom? Can't remember. Okay, so just taking a look at my gloves here. I've been wearing these gloves so much I can peel the paint off the tips. I like to wear my gloves as long as possible before I throw them out. These are pretty good. They have no holes in them or anything. Okay. I got them from Amazon. No, not Amazon. I got them from Costco. They're pretty strong gloves. I've had them off and on probably at least 10 or 15 times. Okay. Before I begin, I want to show you the consistency of my paints. And bear with me, I'm doing it with my left hand. That's my paints. And I'll show you my cell activator. I'm going to be adding turquoise deep. This is ink, acrylic ink mixed with untinted paint, and it's also PPG Kitchen Bath and Trim Ultra Deep Base Semi-Gloss. Whoops. I didn't mean to do that. Okay. Now I'm adding this little piggy glisten. Okay. Then I'm adding fluorescent red. This is fluorescent red. Fluorescent red. Oh, it's Liquitex Basics Fluorescent Red. At least I hope so. If it's not, if I'm wrong, because I didn't mark it on the top, then I will add it on my video in type. Now Naphthol Crimson. This is also acrylic ink. Okay, so I'm going to add a small dab of black, and it is lamp black mixed with American Floetrol. That's probably more than I wanted. Now I have a white cell activator. Give it a good whip before you use it. All right. Okay, I'm going to spin, and I'm not going to worry about the middle being still a little concave. So I'm just going to spin it. So you don't need to worry when you spin about the middle coming back to level with the rest of the paint, because the force of spinning spreads out the paint, and the middle just stays there. When you're tilting, you need to make sure that that comes back. Okay. I want this off a bit, so I'm just going to slightly move it over. I'm just putting a little bit of paint underneath to make it stick so I don't go flying. It happened last time I did this. My painting went flying on to the other side of the board. So I think it looks quite nice. All right, so just slightly. It looks quite pretty. All right, so I'm going to move it back in the middle. I'm just going to keep spinning until I get enough paint off the canvas so that I don't leave too much on and it doesn't crack. And you can tell if you do this and it moves, then you need to get more paint off. It's not really moving much. Okay, so I see a couple of air bubbles that have popped, and I'll show you how to get rid of them. Right. You just put the toothpick in the middle of the white dot. Lift it up. It didn't really work on that one very well. And it's supposed to get rid of it. It looks better though. That one didn't work very good either. Maybe you have to do this before you spin. But I didn't. That's okay. That one got rid of that one. All right, I'm gonna spin a couple more times. Quite pretty. Middle is moving just a tiny bit, so a couple more spins I think, and it should be fine. I don't see it moving. I don't think. Maybe it is. I think I moved it. It's coming down on the sides, but there are spots where it's not, so I just grabbed some paint from the turntable and add it to the side. I think it should be good enough. I spun quite a bit. Okay, so I will bring the camera down for a close-up. Trying to show you the shine from the interference, but it's not doing anything in this light. Okay, here's my close-up. All right.